Go on, Jenny, guess along with thee.
Kernewek Lowender time. I'll see those Cornish country cousins of mine, the cousin Jack, Jennies and Jill, in their bowler hats and their bonnets and frills. At 8 I'll see you underneath the town hall clock. I'm counting every tick. I've saved every penny to be with my cousin Jenny. It's Kernewek Lowender time. Cornwall on this festive day, everybody saying, strolling round the old familiar square, whilst the bands are playing, we're gonna dance around near the pasty stall, a little swig of swanky at the Bosty Ball. Come now, Jenny, let's show them all, it's Kernewek Lowender time. Kernewek Lowender time. I'll see those Cornish country cousins of mine, the cousin Jacks, Jennies and Jill, in their bowler hats and their bonnets and frills. At 8 I'll see you underneath the town hall clock. I'm counting every tick. I've saved every penny to be with my cousin Jenny. It's Kernewek Lowender time. Kernewek Lowender time. I'll see those Cornish country cousins of mine, the cousin Jacks, Jennies and Jills, in their bowler hats and their bonnets and frills. At 8 I'll see you underneath the town hall clock. I'm counting every tick. I've saved every penny to be with my cousin Jenny. It's Kernewek Lowender time. It's Kernewek, it's Lowender time. As I walked home on a summer night, when the stars in heaven were shining bright, far away from the footlights' glare, into the sweet and scented air of a quaint old Cornish town. Born from afar on the gentle breeze, joining in the murmur of the summer seas, distant tones of an old world dance, played by the village band, perchance on the calm air came floating down. I thought I could hear the curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon and flute and euphonium. Far away as in a trance I heard the sound of the floral dance. Lonely standing there, and I could only stand and stare, for I had no maid with me. Lonely I should have to be in that quaint old Cornish town. When suddenly hastening down the lane, a figure I knew I saw quite plain. With outstretched hand I rushed along, carried her into that merry throng, and fiddle and all went dancing down. We danced to the band with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon and flute and euphonium, each one making the most of his chance, all together in the floral dance. We danced to the band with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, the fiddle, the cello, the big bass drum, bassoon and flute and euphonium, each one making the most of his chance, all together in the floral dance. Each one making the most of his chance, all together in the floral dance.